This is BentheEVguy, along with an exclusive collaboration with MModified.
What's up? This is MModified with another 60-second product review of the vinyl grill overlay. It's a step back view, check it out. Had this installed, I loved it. Other members have it as well. They have multiple designs on Etsy from Struckn Design. So here's a closer look of the vinyl grill. Usually it comes in a roll that's larger than the actual area that needs to be cut. I would highly recommend you get it professionally installed. My particular design is actually, as you can see, some stars, some stripes supposed to represent the American flag, and then some just additional details they typically cut around using a knifeless edge. This is a must-have. It looks great. I love it. It's a more masculine look. And if you want one, definitely go check it out at Etsy. And we're giving one away. Happy holidays.